Imagine waking up one day and suddenly realizing you can't get out of bed alone for millions of seniors. This nightmare becomes reality because of a silent epidemic that threatens their independence. By the time you finish watching this short video, around 38 elderly people will be hospitalized due to a preventable muscle loss condition. This crisis tears families apart and fills nursing homes fast. It's an alarming situation. But what if I told you it's possible not just to stop this muscle loss, but even reverse it completely? Groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School revealed a shocking truth. Some foods contain powerful compounds that can rebuild lost muscle, even in your 70s and 80s of age. And the most surprising part is that the number one food on our list today is probably not in your kitchen right now. Yet in clinical trials, it beat prescription medication. In just a few minutes, you'll discover a revolutionary breakthrough that challenges what doctors thought about aging and muscle loss decline. A third of the participants in this study regained muscle mass once. Thought gone forever. One food in particular prevented muscle decline in 9 out of 10. Seniors studied in only 6 short weeks. Before we begin the list, tell us where you're watching from and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now, let's count down. From number 10 to number 1, powerful food. Number 3 will surprise. Number 10 is lean beef. It's a perfect mix of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. A 4-ounce serving provides about 25 grams protein, rich in leucine, the muscle-building amino acid that activates the mTOR pathway, critical for growth. Older adults need more leucine since their muscles are less responsive to growth signals with age. Beef also provides creatine, which boosts muscle size and energy storage levels. As we age, creatine production slows, so diet sources become more important. Beef is also rich in iron, zinc, B vitamins needed for metabolism, and oxygen delivery to muscle tissue systems. A study from McMaster University showed seniors eating lean red meat gained more strength when combined with resistance training programs compared to plant protein. Choose lean cuts like sirloin. Filet or round, limit portions to 2 or 3 times weekly, each serving around 4 to 6 ounces total. Grass-fed beef adds benefits with higher omega-3 levels, which reduce inflammation naturally. Number 9 is whey protein, the most effective muscle support for seniors. Derived from dairy, it has the highest leucine content of all foods. Leucine directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis even in aging-resistant muscles systems. Whey digests and absorbs, very quickly causing fast amino acid rise in the bloodstream post-intake. This helps counter anabolic resistance seen in aging. Beyond protein, whey includes bioactive peptides that boost blood flow, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. It also contains cysteine, which supports antioxidants. Production. Protecting muscles from damage. That increases with age. A study in the American Geriatric Society Journal found seniors who took whey protein daily improved muscle strength and balance, even without exercise routines. When combined with resistance, training results are even greater and more effective. For best outcomes, aim for 20 to 30 grams daily, preferably within 30 minutes of activity. Choose whey. Isolate or concentrate with no sugars or added fake ingredients. If dairy sensitive, try hydrolyzed whey for easier digestion and smoother tolerance. Mix it with water, milk, or smoothies with berries and nutrients combined. Number 8 is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, which provide crucial nutrients for muscles. They're packed with omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, which lower inflammation levels. A key cause of muscle decline in aging. A 4-ounce salmon serving offers 20 grams protein, with all essential amino acids your muscles need. Omega-3s. Make your muscles more sensitive to protein so it's more effective at muscle building. That's important since aging reduces that sensitivity gradually. Seniors eating fatty fish twice a week lost less muscle over 3 years than those who ate fish less frequently. They're also rich in vitamin D, which many older adults lack today. For best results, eat wild-caught fatty fish twice, weekly for muscle support. If hard to prepare, high-quality fish oil. Supplements may help too. Still, whole foods are always the better option. Number 7 is nuts and seeds. Plant-based powerhouses, with protein, healthy fats, and key vital nutrients. Though lower in protein than meat, they offer unique muscle-preserving benefits. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin. Seeds are especially useful. A quarter cup almonds has 6 grams protein, plus magnesium, a mineral, vital for muscle contraction. Magnesium deficiencies cause cramps, muscle weakness, and faster muscle wasting over time. Walnuts offer ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that fights chronic inflammation in muscles. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which supports testosterone for muscle upkeep. Vitamin E in nuts acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from age-related oxidative damage. Pathways. Tufts. University found seniors with higher vitamin E lost less muscle mass. Eat 1 to 1.5 ounces daily of unsalted nuts and seeds overall. Choose small servings to avoid excess calories. Intake number 6 is legumes, like lentils, beans, chickpeas. Underrated yet powerful muscle. Protectors for older adults. 1 cup provides 15 grams. Moderate protein and resistant starch. Feeding gut bacteria for better health. A healthy gut microbiome reduces inflammation and supports muscle retention with aging. The fiber also stabilizes blood sugar, avoiding insulin spikes that harm muscles. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas are rich in iron, magnesium, and potassium levels. Iron is essential for oxygen use in muscle, yet often low in older adults today. A Tufts study found seniors eating legumes 4 times weekly retained more muscle over 5 years. Start small and increase. Serving sizes slowly over time for easy digestion. Soak beans overnight or use low-sodium canned beans, rinsed well before cooking to avoid bloating. Number 5 is eggs. Whole eggs, not just whites. For full benefit, they contain high-value protein, especially leucine content that stimulates muscle protein. Even in aging muscle, half the protein and most nutrients are in the yolk, including choline, vitamin D, and selenium. A University of Illinois study showed whole eggs, after workouts, increased muscle growth by 40% compared to egg whites. Yolks help older adults overcome age-related growth resistance. Forget old cholesterol fears. Recent studies show eggs don't raise heart disease. Risk when eaten moderately. Eat 1-2 eggs daily, especially for protein-rich breakfast. Boiled eggs are easy. Snacks for low energy. Number 4 is olive oil, extra virgin type. Not for protein, but for anti-inflammatory muscle protection. It contains oleocanthal compound, which reduces chronic inflammation. Linked to muscle breakdown. It improves insulin sensitivity, which helps muscles use protein more effectively daily. Monounsaturated fats in olive oil support hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormones needed for muscle. Mediterranean diets with olive oil improve muscle strength and reduce frailty in seniors over 5 years. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily in meals. Choose cold-pressed dark bottles. Store away from heat. Number 3 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries included, packed with antioxidants that protect aging muscle cells from oxidative damage. Long-term, anthocyanins and polyphenols fight free radicals that harm mitochondria and muscle membranes. They also reduce chronic inflammation, which accelerates muscle loss in aging adults. A Tufts study showed berries improved rehab strength and athletic function recovery. They also regulate cytokines, reducing harmful inflammation naturally. Dried berries are healthy. Alternatives to sugary snacks. Number 2 is leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard vegetables. They're full of nitrates, which the body turns into nitric oxide compound. This boosts blood flow, improving nutrient delivery and waste removal in muscles. They're rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, critical electrolytes. One cooked spinach cup has 40% magnesium. Daily needs met easily. Low magnesium causes cramps, weakness, and rapid muscle loss with aging faster. Leafy greens also contain vitamin K essential for muscle metabolism and strength. A 2015 study showed more vitamin K intake meant less age-related loss. Eat at least 2 cups of leafy greens every single day consistently. Number 1 is Greek yogurt, a muscle superfood. Double the protein of regular yogurt per serving. 6 ounces gives 15 to 20 grams of slow digesting. Protein for overnight muscle, maintenance, and energy balance. Casein protein in yogurt. Feeds muscles for hours, preventing night muscle breakdown. Also provides calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus, and probiotics. For gut and muscle, health combined together well. Choose plain full-fat Greek yogurt. No added sugar or fake flavor. Top it with berries, nuts, or a little honey. For healthy taste, have 3 to 4 servings weekly. Ideally at night for best results. Seniors using whey protein gained strength and balance, even without exercise added. With resistance training benefits, multiply even more quickly. Aim for 20 to 30 grams whey protein daily for real results. Mix it smartly. Always avoid excess sugars now. These are the top 10 foods for muscle support and aging wellness. Muscle loss isn't about appearance, but independence, energy, and better quality life. Add these foods regularly to your meals weekly. You can slow or even reverse muscle loss. Now tell us which of these you already eat and what changes you felt in strength. Share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching today.